Hello people, hi, I'm Anita Ravish. Welcome to another video of jewelry making. Today I am working on a project using gemstone chip beads. I have made a nice set of necklace and a matching earring, and instead of a pendant I have made a tassel. They are very nice and beautiful and look very unique, and they go very well with any kind of outfit, be it a sari or a western outfit. And this video is totally and absolutely for beginners guys. So and towards the end of this video you'll be able to make a nice set of jewelry. So let's get started. So for this project I'm using green color chip beads. They come in different sizes and colors. They are irregular kind of funky chip beads, but if you use them in a project they look very cool and beautiful. And we need a S hook for closing the necklace, and I have taken some metal beads. These are called spacers. It is optional, and these are used for making the tassels. For making the tassel I have taken a big metal bead. If you have a bead cap you can use that also. Next we need a pair of jump rings. They come in different thickness. We need one eye pin. It has a small loop at the end. Next we need crimp beads. These are the tricky ones, but they help in secure the wire very tightly. And finally we need a beading wire. I have taken 4 mm beading wire, and we need a set of pliers also, round nose plier, flat nose plier. I'll take you through the steps in a very simple manner guys. So first we will start making the tassel. Now I'm going to make 3 tassels. So I have taken 11 beads for each of the tassel. You can take any number of beads, that is up to your choice. And I have taken 6-inch wire. Now we have to fix the wire using a crimp bead. Attach the crimp bead at the end of the wire. After attaching it, squeeze the bead with the help of a plier and then cut the extra wire. Now this is to ensure that the beads don't come out of the wire. So now the wire is fixed. Start stringing the beads from the other end of the wire. Now these tassels look very beautiful and they can be used for making earrings. I am taking this very slowly guys because this project is totally for beginners. People find it very difficult to make their jewelry, but I hope towards the end of the video you can make nice jewelry and you can be very proud of it. Now after finishing these beads, take a crimp bead, add it to the wire. After that you have to take that eye pin that I've shown before. After inserting the crimp bead, insert the eye pin also. Now take the tail end of the wire and the wire should go inside the crimp bead now. Look carefully guys, the wire has gone inside the crimp bead. Now all we need is to just pull the wire very tightly. Now we have got one tassel. Now again squeeze the crimp bead tightly and cut the extra wire. Now this process is same for all the tassels guys. So once you know the process, you can apply the process for making necklace, for making tassels, for making earrings, etc. So now I'll show you how to make that second tassel. Same process, take the wire, add the crimp bead, crush the bead, cut the extra wire, now start adding the beads from the other end of the wire. Instead of this tassel, you have a nice pendant. You can use that pendant also. They will look very nice and beautiful for the chip beads. Now we have to insert the wire inside the eye pin. Insert the wire inside the eye pin. Now same goes the wire inside the crimp bead. As you can see, the wire has gone inside the crimp bead. Now pull the wire very tightly and then crush the crimp bead and cut the extra wire. Now we have made 2 tassels. You can make any number of tassels, that is up to you. Now I have made the third tassel also. See, it looks very beautiful, it dangles very nicely. Now just crush the eye pin to ensure that the tassel doesn't come out of it. So now the tassels are secured very nicely, and now I'm adding that big metal bead. Instead of this metal bead, you can add any bead cap, and I'm adding a small metal bead. Now all we need is to cut the extra wire. Now we have to form a loop, guys. It is very important. Take a round nose plier, make a small loop as I have shown here. So this loop will enable the tassel to make it as a pendant. So now our beautiful tassel is ready. The next step is we have to string the beads for making the necklace. After making the tassel, arrange the beads in a bead board like this. This is to decide the length of the necklace. If you don't have a board, it's not an issue. Now take the wire. I have taken a 25-inch wire. I have added the crimp bead and then the jump ring. Now take the end of the wire and insert inside the crimp bead and pull the wire very tightly. And you have to crush the bead with the help of a plier. Now the wire is secured very nicely. Now start adding the beads. After you have come to the middle of the necklace, add the tassel that we made before. Now check out the length of the necklace on both the sides, guys. It should be equal. Now fill the other side also. After coming to the end of the wire, the same process. Add the crimp bead and then the jump ring, and then insert the wire inside the crimp bead and then crush the bead. And if you have any extra wire, cut the extra wire. It is very easy, guys, to make this jewelry. So if you have any beads in your house, try this and you will feel very proud after making jewelry on your own. Now close the jewelry with the help of a hook. Now our beautiful chip bead necklace is ready. You can also start making a lot of necklace like this. I have made a pair of matching earring for this. If you want to know how I made this, please let me know in the comment box. Hope after seeing this video, you'll start making jewelry. For more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon, guys. For the next video, tell me what kind of video you want to see, either a food recipe or jewelry making video. So until the next video, take care. Bye bye.